In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a Jira API token for Atlassian Cloud, step by step. By the end, you'll have a secure API token in hand, ready to connect Jira to third-party tools or automate tasks. If you're new to Atlassian or just want to avoid common pitfalls, stick with me. I'll make sure nothing gets overlooked, and I'll break down why each step actually matters. Let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is log into your Atlassian account and head straight to the API token management page. The direct link is https://id@atlassian.com. Manage profile, security, API tokens. It's a good idea to bookmark this page for future reference. Trust me, you'll thank yourself the next time you need a token. Make sure you're using the correct Atlassian account because tokens are specific to the user. They grant whatever permissions you personally have, so double-check you're in the right account if you manage multiple ones. Once you're on the page, look for the Create API Token button. It's usually big and easy to spot, but don't hesitate to scroll a little if you don't see it right away. Click that button to start the process. You'll see a dialog appear. That's the box where you'll enter details for your token. Here's a critical moment. You'll be asked to provide a label for your new token. Take a moment here to think of a descriptive name, something like integration with my automation tool or weekly backup script. It might seem like a tiny detail, but when you come back a few months from now and see a list of tokens, descriptive labels are a lifesaver. Imagine opening a drawer full of unlabeled keys. The labels are what save you from the guessing game. Next, you'll need to set the expiration date for your API token. By default, Atlassian sets new tokens to expire in 1 year, but you can adjust this anywhere from 1 day to 365 days. And here's why that matters. Shorter expiration dates can greatly improve your security, especially if the token is for temporary work or an integration you're just testing. For longer-term integrations, 1 year can make sense, but only use what you really need. Think of it like lending your house key to a friend for a week. You don't want them keeping it forever if they don't need it. Once you're happy with your label and expiration, click Create. The system will now generate your token. This part can take just a second. Nothing to worry about. As soon as the token appears on your screen, stop for a moment and copy it. I can't stress this enough. Atlassian will only show the token once, right now. If you close this window without copying it, you'll need to start over and generate a new one. I recommend pasting the token into a password manager, a secure note, or wherever you safely store sensitive credentials. Never email it to yourself or leave it in a shared file. And that's all there is to it. You've just created a secure Jira API token, ready to be plugged into integrations, scripts, or wherever your workflow needs it. It's a simple process, but each step plays a role in keeping your data secure and your tools connected. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up. It really supports the channel. Drop your questions or stories in the comments below if you run into any snags, or if you have tips of your own to share. And of course, if you want more tech walkthroughs like this, hit subscribe so you never miss a guide. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.